What's up, guys? Back here again today. We're gonna make a DIY bottle fish trap to see what I can catch in a runoff creek.
Purchase your tracks today.
And there it is, you guys. Got the little hole right here, flipped in the inside. All you need is a knife, some string, and of course the bottle. You gotta cut holes in right here. Put 2 on each side. I only do 2. A lot of people do more on every side so you can sink it down. I'm gonna put rocks in here from the boat ramp, and as bait we're gonna use a little bit of bread and a little bit of dog food. I will see y'all there.